My son is really into martial arts, and his favorite discipline is mastering the nunchucks. Since I am going for that coveted Father of the Year award, I thought how better to clinch my crown than to help my 8-year-old son make a pair of authentic ninja weapons. Okay, so I should preface this by confessing that I know nothing about martial arts weapons, I did zero research on how to build nunchucks, and I have no idea what I'm doing. But I have seen over a dozen Jackie Chan movies, so that should count for something, I guess. He does what he can. He does what he can. Karate man can kick and punch. Karate man, karate man. Karate man has a plan. The entire plan consisted of driving to Home Depot to try to find enough parts and pieces to make a pair of authentic nunchucks. And when I say authentic, what I actually mean is they will be made out of wood, metal, and chain. And that's what authentic nunchucks are made out of, I think. The first item we are hunting for is something to make the handles out of. We knew we wanted the handles to be made out of wood, so the thought was dowel rod should work perfectly. The trick is to find dowel that is just about the right size. We are using a pair of toy nunchucks for reference, and 1 1/8 inch diameter dowel rods seem to be just about right. Next on the shopping list was chain, and we found the perfect solution, a light chain with a black finish. The length of rope between the toy nunchucks is 6 inches, and we are just going to duplicate that setup. For the end caps for the handles, we went with black iron pipe caps. The 1-inch caps fit over the dowel rod almost perfectly. The last piece of this ancient ninja puzzle was how to attach the chain to the end caps. With a little modification, these eye hooks should work just fine. Aside from a few nuts, bolts, and washers, we now have all the parts and pieces we'll need. 8 inches, right? Okay, so we need 4 of these. So, here. 8 times 4. 8 times 12. And then watch, this is the symbol for inches. That means 8 inches. Yeah. Right?
Yeah, that's the answer.
That's the answer. So this stick is
8.
so do we have enough to make 4? Alright.
Because that's
Very
an
good.
even number.
The first thing we need to do is clean up the end of the dowel. I'm not sure exactly what they use to cut these dowels with at the mill, but the ends are just so rough and gnarled. Maybe they just have a dog chew them down to size. But that's nothing a quick pass at the miter saw can't clean up. Then set up a stop block to 8 inches and cut the 4 handles. Next, hop on over to the drill press and drill a hole in the center of the iron cap for the eye hook. For a more comfortable feel and a finished look, sand a 45-degree chamfer on the end of the handles. work your way through the grits, sanding the dowel smooth and ready for finish. If you are doing this project with a kid, sanding is a great task for some hands-on involvement in the project. The finish really is up to you. For these nunchucks, we just went with a clear satin poly to maintain that light natural look, but if you wanted to change things up a bit, you can throw some stain on first. Just get creative, go crazy. The threads on the eye hooks were a bit long and would have interfered and prevented the dowel from sliding onto the end cap. So, snip snip. The chain we are using is light enough to cut with a pair of sheet metal shears. A little heat to the loop on the eye hook will soften the metal enough so that you can spread the loop open with pliers and thread the chain through, but you have to move quickly and close the loop again before the eye hook cools. The eye hooks are attached to the end caps with washers on both sides of the caps and nylock nuts to prevent the hook from coming loose. If you have some thread lock, put a couple dabs on to really lock these down.
Are nunchucks heavy?
Even though we trimmed the threads on the eye hooks, they are still preventing the dowel from sliding all the way into the end cap. It's an easy fix though. Slide the end cap on the dowel, give it a quick tap with a hammer to mark the location on the end of the dowel, and drill out a pocket for the thread of the eye hook and nylock nut to slide into. We'll be attaching the end caps to the handles with a long bolt and nut, but first we need to drill a hole all the way through the end cap and the handle. For the end cap through bolt, you may need to trim the threads like we did for the eye hook. Place washers on both sides and use a lock washer and thread lock to secure it all down. And just like that, you have yourself a pair of real nunchucks. Okay, let's take these outside and see what they do. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning.